So if you are having troubles with font in Blender, if you are having text like this, then I have a solution. Here, as you can see, if I type letters, most of them are broken and not displayed correctly, right? So let's fix that out. First thing that you have to do is to download FontForge. You can download from fontforge.org, and I'm gonna install, and we will install it. So once the download is complete, open the DMG file. If you're on Windows, you will have something different. Let's open up FontForge, and yeah, okay, so we have this. Now what we're gonna do is select our font. In my case, I have this Hamza.T regular font, which I'm gonna use, right? And just open it up, and once you have this screen, we have all of the characters that this font have. And what we're gonna do is we'll go to edit, and from there we'll say select and select all. So we are selecting all of the things, and now go to elements, go to overlap, and say remove overlaps, and it will remove all of the overlaps. And once it's done, just go to file and say generate font, and now I will save it to say, let's say, just name it to regular 2, and I would like to save it as a TTF file, so true type font, right? And let's just generate. It will tell you something. Let's just generate. We don't need to worry about anything. Now we have this. Let me actually create another. Wait a sec. Let me actually change the font from there. We go to there. We'll select our regular 2 font. So open font, and you can see we have our text completely fixed. So A, B, and you can see it's all fixed. No errors, no jitters, nothing. It's now working completely according to what we need. So that's a short video about how to fix fonts in Blender. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.